I said, oh, they're not in every city. Oh, that's a figure of speech. You know, the original man, though, is everywhere. He's all over the planet Earth. Maybe he's not teaching 120, but the original man is all over the planet Earth. There is nowhere on the planet Earth that the original man is not or have not been. That's a fact. Now, people might dispute it, whatever the case may be, but that's their reality. You can't look at it from their reality. You gotta look at it from yours. In your reality, this is what's happening. Now make that apply to what is life and what is going on now. And do what you have to do. You have the tools, a trade or a profession, or it could be both. Either or. You can use either or. You know, in English, power or refinement. Culture or freedom. These things, I even see some degree they had divine destroy. You know, I have just divine in mind, but it is what it is. There is what I'm pointing out is the or, which is either or. Some people say either or and. You know, depends on how your will manifests that degree at the time that it is manifest, because you can't just look at actually what the physical composition is doing, but also what is going on around outside of your physical composition. So you gotta see both worlds. Yours, where you're moving, and theirs when they're moving. They may not even, not that they're moving against you, they're just doing their thing. Everybody's making moves. You have to make your move. This is your tool. You know, everybody got their tools, son. That's why the Father didn't say, you know, any particular people to teach beside the babies. Teach the babies, you know. He didn't have an emphasis on, you know, whose baby. He said teach the babies. Teach the babies the truth. Teach the babies the truth, you good. You know, of course, everybody's going to say their truth is the truth, and alright, it is what it is, but you just do you. What you do is the truth, and you do that. But really do it. If you know it, some people don't know what it is. It is what it is, you know, but you're not held responsible for that. That's a fact. Because at the end of the day, you're responsible for yourself. And you might take on the responsibility of other things that maybe it's out of its control because it can't control the environment that it is in due to the age that it is at. Then you say, all right, that's called a baby. So you take care of the babies. But anything else that can fend for itself, you're not really in control of it in that perspective. So you use your lessons to manifest through and guide you through. Now everybody got their own lessons. That's a fact. It is what it is. We don't know, and everybody says theirs is the best. Okay. It is what it is. Everybody's saying that. And you have to make your own decision on which way you're going to travel. At the end of the day, it's still your call. There's no mystery God. All that is your what? Self. That man's God. That's a fact. And when I say that, they may not understand exactly what it means. But that is your birthright. You are that. That's your birthright. That is nothing extra bestowed upon you. Now you know who you are. Now you gotta manifest. You know, we at a state of, in the physical realm, the physical composition is at a lower vibration now than it was in the year 8,367.